Hey guys, today we're working on subtracting across zeros, and what that's referring to is whenever your minuend, which is your top number, has zeros across the end of it, we call that subtracting across zeros. So just a little side tip or like side note, when you're subtracting, this is called the minuend, this is called the subtrahend, and this is called the difference, okay? Okay, you don't need to know that in third grade, but it is good to know. And I use it a lot in my class, so I do want you to get in the habit of minuend and subtrahend and then the difference. So today we're going to subtract 200 and then 147. So this is just a normal equation, and I'm going to use standard algorithm, which is how like I learned to subtract, which is where you stack it up and down, probably the way your parents do it. And as I'm doing my algorithm, my base 10 blocks are going to match, okay? So 200 minus 147. Don't make the mistake of putting the smaller number on the top because we're not working with negative numbers until high school, okay? So it is possible that if I have 200, I can give away 147. So here's my 200, and of course I start in the ones place, and I'm trying to take away 7, right? I'm trying to get rid of 7, and I don't have any ones to take away 7. That's why there's a 0 there. I have no ones, so I cannot take away 7 of them. So I can get more ones from the tens. And as you can see, I don't have any tens. I have none to change to give me what I need, right? So to get more tens, I need to go to my hundreds block, okay? So I'm going to get rid of this and regroup it into what I need. Now, I cannot change my value. I must always have 200 when I start. So I'm just going to change the way it looks. So to get me what I need. So here's my hundreds block. I'm going to regroup it into 10 tens. Okay. Oops. And now my algorithm needs to match my base 10. So I got rid of a hundreds block and I changed it to 10 tens. So it's the same thing. This is 100, that is 100. So I still have 200. You see that? I have 100, 100. So this is still 200. I want my algorithm to match what I just did, okay? So I got rid of a hundreds block, right? I have 1 left. And in my tens place, I no longer have 0 tens. In fact, I have 10 of them. So this is just going to change to 10. Okay, so it's true. I have 100 square and I have 10 tens. I still have 200, okay? Okay, but we have to start subtraction in the ones place, right? And I still don't have any ones to take away 7 of them. So I can get more ones from the tens. I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to change it into what I need, okay? 10 ones. Sorry, it's 10 ones. So this changes. I'm going to regroup it into 10 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. Okay. So my algorithm needs to match what I just did. I had tens. I used one of them, which leaves me with only 9. Because remember, I got rid of this one, right? I got rid of it. Oh my. I got rid of it. So I only have 9 left. And now I have 10 ones. So as I'm changing my base 10 blocks, I'm going to make my algorithm match. So now it's true, I have 100, 9 tens, and 10 ones, which will all add up to still 200. I did not change my value, I just changed the way it looks, okay? So now I can begin subtracting. So 10 minus 7, so I take away 7, and that leaves me with 3. 90 minus 40, so here's 90. I'm going to take away 40, and that leaves me with 50. 100, take away 100. That leaves me with no hundreds. So my difference is 53.